Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 12th session of the course Digital Electronics. In this session, we are dealing with the second chapter, Digital Principles. In this session, we will be discussing the number system, which is the basic for the next topic, that is hexadecimal to decimal conversion, the ASCII code, and Gray code. What is a number system? A number system, it is a system of writing to express numbers. It is a system of writing to express numbers. It can also be defined as a mathematical notation for representing numbers using a given set of digits or symbols in a consistent manner. For example, we are using decimal number system in day-to-day life, wherein we use digits 0 to 9 to represent numbers, which are the unique symbols or the unique digits in decimal system. In any number, the value of any digit can be determined by the digit itself. Like we all know, in decimal system, which comprises of 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, 9 is greater than all the other digits. Or if I take an example of 3 and 6, 6 is greater than 3. Like the digit itself determines its value. Second thing is its position in the number. Like for example, if I take a number 75, there the value of 7 is 70. The positional value of 7 is 70 because it is placed in tens place. If I take a number 17, then the value of 7 is only 7 because it is placed in ones place. Likewise, the position of the digit in any number determines its value. Okay, the third thing is the base of number system. Whether we are using the decimal system, octal system, binary system, that determines the value of any digit. Next, what are the different types of number system? We have decimal number system, which is also called as base 10 number system, which is used in day-to-day correspondence or communication. This decimal number system is called as base 10 number system because we use 10 unique symbols or digits, that is starting from 0 up to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. 10 unique symbols are used to represent any number, hence it is called as base 10 system. The next thing is binary system, which is also called as base 2 system. Okay, in base 2 system or binary system, we use only two digits 0 and 1. This type of system is mainly used in computations, that is in computer processing. The next thing is octal number system, also called as base 8 system. This number system uses 8 unique symbols, that is starting from 0 ranging up to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. 8 symbols are used to represent octal numbers. Hexadecimal number system, as the name suggests, hexadecimal, it is base 16 number system, or it uses 16 unique symbols, 16 unique digits to represent hexadecimal numbers. The 16 symbols or digits include numbers ranging from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, that is 10 digits, and then after 9 we use 6 alphabets A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F, A in the F varage, 6 alphabets. Total 16 unique symbols are used to represent hexadecimal numbers. Coming to the conversion of hexadecimal to binary conversion. Where actually this is needed? When working with microprocessors and microcontrollers, most of the data is in hexadecimal. Okay, and there you need to convert hexadecimal to binary numbers for further processing. And how can you actually convert these hexadecimal numbers into equivalent binary numbers? By replacing the individual hexadecimal digits into its equivalent 4-bit binary code, Okay, let's discuss this with an example. 24B hexadecimal, I'm converting this number into binary. 2, it is written as 0010. Individually 2 can be written as 10 also, but in this conversion we need to represent every digit by its 4-bit code. Okay, I can represent 2 using binary code as 0010. 4 is represented as 0100. B is represented as B is actually 11. 11 can be written as 1011. Okay, the equivalent code is written as shown below. The next example, let's discuss an example which has fractional part also. In this, I have taken a number 64.15. 6 is represented as 0110. 4 is represented as 0100. 1 is represented as 0001 and 5 is represented as 0101. Okay, each individual hexadecimal digit is represented as a 4-bit binary number. Okay, the equivalent number is as shown below. Next, I have taken an example of hexadecimal ABC 0.1F to the base 16. I am converting this number to binary. Okay, A, its equivalent binary number is 1010. A in decimal is 10. 10 is represented as 1010 in binary. B is 11 in decimal. It is represented as 1011. C, it is 12 in decimal. It is represented as 1100 in binary. Point, okay, point is not visible. Point 1 is written as 0001. F is written as 1111. So it is 1010, 1011, 1100. Point is not visible here. Point 0001, 1111. Okay. Next, we will discuss two types of codes which are used to represent data. One is ASCII code. What is this ASCII? It is pronounced as ASCII code. Okay, this ASCII code is an abbreviation for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII code is the abbreviation for American Standard Code for Information Interchanged. It is a 7-bit code. This ASCII code is a 7-bit code. Okay, it is used to represent letters, numbers, punctuation marks, control characters, anything which you can look on a keyboard are represented using ASCII code. Hence it is called as alphanumeric code because this code is used to represent numbers also and alphabets also. Okay, for that reason this is called as alphanumeric code. Since this is a 7-bit code, it can have a maximum of 128 representations. Okay, we can represent 128 characters or symbols using ASCII code. How I got this 128 number? It is nothing but 2 raised to the power 7 equal to 128. So I can have maximum 128 combinations in ASCII code, which are more than enough to represent all the alphabets, the digits, the special characters, and any other control characters also. Okay. Format of this code. What is the format of this code? This is a 7-bit code. The format is x6, x5, x4, x3, x2, x1, x0. Okay. In some times, while transferring data using ASCII code, an 8-bit is also added, which is used as a parity bit, which is nothing but a parity bit, which is useful in error detection. Next, coming to the applications of ASCII code, it is used to transfer information from keyboard to computer, from microcomputer keyboard to display interfacing. It is also used in devices like cell phone keyboards to transfer information from the computer to the printer, in video displays, from the processor to video display, in text file editors, and in data storage devices. Here we can see the ASCII table. Okay, in this ASCII table we have 4 columns. One is the decimal value of the code. Next column represents the hexadecimal equivalent of that number. The third one is the octal equivalent, and the last one is character. This code represents which character is represented as this particular code. Okay, we have in this table we can see the decimal number ranges from 0 to 127, that is maximum of 128 combinations, and which value represents which character is shown in the column. Okay, next type of code is Gray code. Gray code, it was developed by Frank Gray, working for Bell Laboratories, USA. He was a scientist. Frank Gray, who worked for Bell Laboratories, developed this Gray code. This Gray code, unlike BCD code, it is a unweighted code. Like in BCD code, every bit has its own weight. Every bit has its own weight. We also call it as 8421 code. So unlike BCD code, this is an unweighted code because bit positions does not have any specific weights assigned to them. Okay, bit positions does not have any specific weights. It is due to this property, since this is unweighted, it is not used for arithmetic operations, but it is useful for input-output devices, analog to digital converters, and other peripheral equipment. Okay, one important characteristic of Gray code is that if you move from top to bottom, the one code to another changes by only 1 bit. When we move from top to bottom, every count or one count to another, it changes by only 1 bit. In this table we can easily notice I have given the decimal number, its equivalent 4-bit binary code, and then we have its equivalent Gray code. In Gray code column we can notice that from one count to the next there is only change in only 1 bit. Only 1 bit changes from one count to another when we move from top to bottom. Coming to the applications of Gray code, it is used to generate the angular position of the shaft. It is used to generate a code for angular position of the shaft. That is, it is used in shaft position encoders. It is used to facilitate error correction in digital communication system. It is used to label axis of K maps, Karnaugh maps, used for simplification of Boolean equations. It is used to convert analog information into digital information. It is used in devices like object detectors, code converters, CD, DVD readers or drivers. Okay. Here I have given a practice exercise for hexadecimal numbers to binary conversion. You can solve it. Let's discuss a few multiple choice questions so that we can refresh what we have learned in this session. The first question is, ASCII code was developed by. ASCII, do you remember what it stands for? It is the abbreviation for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It was developed by an American agency, American organization. Okay, which one? ISRO. It is an Indian Space Research Organization. No, this option is not correct. NASA, National Aeronautic Space Research Organization, that is from USA. That is not correct actually. That option is not correct for this question. BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center, which is an Indian organization. No. The correct answer is D, American National Standards Institute. They developed the ASCII code. The second question, ASCII code is an example of alphabetic code, numerical code, alphanumerical code, none of the above. Okay, while explaining I told you ASCII code is used to represent alphabets, digits, special characters, control characters, etc. So it is not only alphabetic code, it is not only numerical code, but it is an alphanumeric code. Answer is C. Which of the following is a 7-bit code? Okay. Gray code 4-bit 1. Unicode is not the answer. BCD code is also 4-bit code. ASCII code is the correct answer. Option D. ASCII code is a 7-bit code. Which code differs by only 1 bit from one count to next? It is the gray code. Okay. Gray code differs by only 1 bit from one count to next when we move from top to bottom. Maximum representations that can be done by ASCII code is a 7-bit code. Okay. 2 raised to the power 7 is 128. So we can have maximum 128 representations using ASCII code. The option B is the correct answer. B, 128. Okay. Gray code was developed by. Gray code was developed by Graham Bell, Michael Gray, Frank Gray, Bill Gates. Okay. Gray code was developed by Frank Gray of Bell Laboratories. He was working for Bell Laboratories, but the scientist name who developed Gray code is Frank Gray. The correct option is C. Binary equivalent of 4B. Okay. 4B is the option A. 4 is represented as 0100 and B is represented as 1011. Okay, the correct answer is A. Binary equivalent of 87 is 8 is represented as 1000 and 7 is represented as 0111. So the answer is C. Okay, the next question. Binary equivalent of 20A. 20A. It is 2 is represented as 0010. 0 is represented as 0000. A is represented as 1010. So the answer is C. Coming to the 10th question. Binary equivalent of 2C. Binary equivalent of 2C in hexadecimal is 2 is represented as 0010. So all the options have 0010. The next thing is C. C is nothing but 12. 12 can be written as 8 plus 4, 8421 code 1100. So the correct answer is 10. The correct answer for the question number 10 is B. One second. Okay, in this question, both the options B and C are equal, so you can mark it as B or C. Anything is correct. The books which I have referred to convey this information is as shown in this slide. You can refer these books for further information. These are the persons responsible for the content development of this course, Digital Electronics. Thank you for watching this session. Hope you enjoyed this. You can, if you have any doubts or suggestions, you can write to lms.dtech@gmail.com. Thank you.